Hello, welcome back to Crunch Out. Today I will be reviewing an amazing pair of sneakers, and that is no other than the Mommy Nike SB Dunk. They are just amazing. Really great pair of shoes, extremely durable. I've only worn them for like 1 weekend, but I can already tell how durable they are. Just from this canvas upper and this suede swoosh. Bleh. It's just a great pair of sneakers all around. Definitely would recommend copying this pair of shoes if you are interested. And if you are interested in getting them, especially for relatively cheap price, go down in the description below and check out Pleashoes. They have these shoes and plenty of others for a great price. It is all option B, but it's still a great option nonetheless. So yeah, getting back to the shoes, and the Mummy Dunks have these eyes on the back that do glow once exposed to some sunlight and gets to charge up. Same thing with the midsoles and the outsoles, charges. Really nice pair of shoes. Has this all canvas upper, thick SB Dunk laces, really nice. And on the inside you have this eye, it's just a really great touch. And then right here on the tags we have B. Wong and hieroglyphs. Bryce Wong, he's the person who designed this pair of shoes. He did an amazing job. They look really great. And then on the outsoles you have toilet paper rolls on the line, kind of showing that the house has been TP'd or something has been TP'd to kind of go with that whole mummy theme. It's really cool design on the sneakers. And yeah, pretty great pair of shoes. Very comfortable. I was wearing these for a few hours and I forgot I was even wearing a pair of shoes. That's how great they feel. That air unit and the heel and just everything about the shoes feel amazing. I think that's why SB Dunks took over about 2 years ago, and they're still kind of going strong. The SBs are. Normal Dunks aren't doing as well on the secondary market, but SB Dunks are still holding up pretty well. But yeah, great pair of sneakers, definitely worth checking out. Go true to size. I would not recommend going a half size down or half size up. Even if you're a wide footer, SB Dunks are pretty wide in that toe area, so you should be fine. There should be no concerns there. And if you do go down half size, you're going to lose some length, so narrow foot people, it really wouldn't be worth it for you to go down in that half size. But yeah, it's pretty much all for this review. Again, check out Pleashoes. They're down in the description. Thank you for sending this pair of shoes for this review. And stick around for that B-roll and on-foot portion. See you in the next one. Peace.